Hey guys, welcome back to Cross Street Classics. Pretty exciting day here. We're back at our 65 Mustang build. And we have gotten our engine back from the rebuilders. I come back the other day, getting ready to unload it here. Get on the engine stand, get all the accessories and all that I can get on before we put it in. Want to thank Rick at Thunderbolt Products in Houston, Texas. We shipped this engine to him, and he was one of the few that I talked to that would rebuild this. So, looks real good. They had to get another head for it. We had a pretty high suspicion that the head was bad with the leaking going on, and this ear was broke on the old head too. So they were lucky to find another head for it. So it's pretty cool. So we're gonna get this off of here and get it on the engine stand and get the oil pan stuff cleaned up, get the oil pump in, get the front cover and stuff on here. So let's get it unloaded. Alright guys, so here's our engine upside down. Looks like a nice fresh rebuild. It was cleaned up real nice. New timing set. We're going to leave it sit on the stand for a little while. I'm going to get the oil pump, get it installed. Get the oil pan cleaned up, get it on. And just do some bolt-ons here for it. We got our oil pump primed, installed, got the pickup tube on, and just flipped it back over here. Just wanted you to see. New soft plugs everywhere in this thing, valve seals stuff. So I'm gonna flip it over, and we're gonna get the oil pan on and the front timing cover. Got the front timing cover all cleaned up here. Got new seal installed. And got the damper. Had to put a speedy sleeve on it. Had some wear on it. Had a wear ridge in it. So we don't want that to leak. So let's get this stuff on. We got our engine all ready to paint here. Blake's cleaning up the valve cover. We're going to put the valve cover on it, basically to mask the rocker arms and valve springs off. We're going to be putting a chrome valve cover on this, dressed up a little bit. So we're going to just use it as a big mask. Everything else is pretty good, ready to go. Everything on here is going to get painted black. We're using the gloss black that Ford used up to 65. The 66 and newer had the Ford corporate blue. We're gonna make this black again. we got the engine all painted up. It's good and dry. Started bolting some accessories on. Got the motor mounts on, the front damper pulley, and the exhaust manifold. That's about all I really want to put on it right now. We're going to lower it onto our engine cart and get the transmission on it. And what we're going to do is I think we're going to lower the car onto it. And it's kind of unorthodox, but I'm not really happy of the attaching points of this motor, even though it come out pretty good. I think I used a head bolt or a rocker stud, and I don't want to disturb any of that. So I think what we're going to do is lower the car down over the engine and transmission, and then I'll be able to put a floor jack under the back transmission cross member, and then I can tie the engine stand in the front here just to lift the front of the engine up to get it in place. But I think that's what we're going to do. Like I said, I know it seems unorthodox, but let's get it off the stand and get the transmission to it, mounted to it. All right, guys, so we have the transmission mated to the engine, and I got the torque converter bolts in, got them all tightened up, torqued down. So our next step is going to be putting the engine in the car. So that's going to conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we appreciate you watching. Comment below. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.